for the last 20 years, I have worked as a volunteer on my own time and dime. I actually go to the United States Capitol and uh, walk bills through, champion individual bills. And the bills that I have worked on has been affordable housing, affordable health care, consumer protection, veteran services, and farming. And through championing some of those bills, we have been able to see a direct result from the time that I've spent there. I initially started doing that in 2004 when clients of mine, real estate clients, especially small business owners, I kept seeing imperfections on their credit that precluded them from being able to have a home. They had to be involved in home ownership. They could own a business, but they could not purchase a home because of lending requirements. When I started really dividing down into what was on their credit, a lot of it was medical issues and unpaid medical bills. Well, they could not afford, as a small business, health insurance. And I'm like, I didn't understand that because utilizing my spouse's insurance, I had never looked into it as a small business. I did a deep dive on what was available, and it was extremely expensive to be able to do that, to have an insurance policy for your family as a small business owner. So in 2004, the National Association of Realtors was helping to champion a bill that would allow competitive bargaining in healthcare with groups and associations. So like unions and the bar association, the realtor association, the small business associations, they would be able to have this opportunity to bargain for a policy just like a big business would, like a corporation. And I went, wait a minute, this will help my customers. They will then be able to own a home because they will have this opportunity. So I went with them and championed this bill that it did not pass in 2004. But I went back in 2005 and met with some other agents, some other realtors from Illinois who said, look, we have a new senator and he is gung-ho on healthcare. And I'm like, cool. I don't care who he is. I don't care what state he's from. If he can help get this passed, I want to talk to him. So I went with this group back to the Capitol, sat down with this young senator and went through, this is what you could do for the American people, for small businesses, for their families, for their legacy. That senator was Senator Obama.